right, Type's Finest Flashback Mixer. 3 boxes, random team number 6 dice. Yo 11. Yo 11 teams, let's go 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 times in the dice. Let's see the contestants. Should be 30 of you, and there are 1, 2, same dice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. There it is. 11 times on the dice. Let's see what everybody's got. All right, let's print it out. Mike, you got the Phillies, Mr. Brugbu. Phillies. If you guys want to trade, now's the time to do it. While I open the packs. We'll start with 21. The order I usually do it is 21, then 20, and then 22. But if I get like a crazy big hit or something, if I happen to see like a super or something, then we'll do that at the end. Oh, let me send the email out. Also, let's get the box topper thing. It's going to sound weird, but I actually like the way that Flashback smells. It smells different than the other product. I like the way it smells. How weird is that of a statement? The Royals aren't bad, Dave. They have Bobby Witt in 2022. I don't know. It just smells like... It smells like fresh cards in a nice way. I don't know. The Astros are good too. They have Yordan Alvarez autos in 2022, and they have Yordan rookies, right? Or, is it Yordan? Yeah, don't they have Yordan rookies? Astros are good. Oh, yeah, Nolan Ryan's in there, too. I forgot. But Nolan Ryan's hard to hit. But, yes. Jordan as well. We got some gold in 21. Or in 20. 2020, we have gold. And we have gold in 2021 also. The cats must love the pack opening ceremony, Dave. I should put myself on the TV when I leave for the office and let my cats watch me while I'm here. No, I'm not, Joe. Once upon a time, maybe. My wife is beautiful, but she hates me, so... She doesn't hate me, but... Oh! I don't know how much she likes me either. Let's do... It is, right, Josh? I could do that. My cats would love it. I like playthings on the TV for my cats, like the birds and the little squirrels eating the nuts on the tree trunk. I play that stuff. Let's do the box topper. Looks like there's not going to be any trades. Every time I've opened this box topper, it's been like one of my least favorite players. I'll let Mike see if he wants to make a deal first before I open the box topper. The last 3 box toppers I've done, I'm pretty sure the last 2 were Glaber and Gary Sanchez. Both of which I cannot stand either of those players. I'm trying to think. I think I had... Oh yeah. And DJ LeMahieu, I think. I think those are my last 3 box toppers. Glaber Torres, DJ LeMahieu, and Gary Sanchez. I guarantee I could do better than that right now. I shouldn't guarantee it. I think I can. I think I can. Okay, here we go. Wilson Contreras, that's better. I'll take it. I'll take Wilson Contreras for K-Ben. We'll take Wilson Contreras for the Cubbies. Yes, we will, Kevin. Yes, we will. Yeah, squirrels. I put on these YouTube videos where the squirrels and the birds come and they eat the nuts on the tree trunks that people lay out for them, and then they record the video. And cats love watching that shit. They love it. Like, absolutely love it. Just put Wilson Contreras in his forever home. If this thing will let me. Let's see. Get in my belly. There we go. All right. There we go, Wilson. There he is. Safe and sound. All right, here we go. Jazz has been awesome, Dave. You know that. Oh, Joe doesn't like squirrels. We're going to do 2021, excuse me. 2021. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 2021 flashback on this 3-box event. Best of luck to everybody. Kirilloff, rookie. Ian Anderson, rookie. Garcia, Skubal, and Alec Baum on the rookie pieces. Bobby Dahlbeck, rookie. So far, not much in here. Where are the good cards in 2020? Oh, there's a black. Oh, here's some stuff. Okay, here's some stuff. Here's some stuff. Here's some stuff. Kybert Ruiz, that's to 35. Last in the print, by the way. 35 out of 35. Ruiz for the Dodgers going to the tap, man. Florial rookie. Dunning rookie. Jesus Sanchez. Jimenez rookie. Refractor of Longoria for the Giants. Going to Sabs. Brian Hayes rookie. And Xander Black to 25. 24 out of 25. Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. Going to the Goat Locker. He's the GOAT. Our SP is Mariano for the Yankees. There's another Ruiz and Dylan Carlson rookie. Here's a gold. Tristan McKenzie gold. 15 out of 50 for the Indians. I can call them that because that's what it says on his jersey in this product. I know they're the Guardians now, so it's going to the Goat Locker, but it's Tristan McKenzie for the Indians. Varsho rookie. Clark Schmidt rookie. And Joe Adell rookie. That is why we do 2021 first. Let's do 2020. That's great. I like that story, Joe. Joe and the Squirrels. I see gold in the back of my handful there. Jordan rookie, nice. Here's gold coming up here. Who's behind this green piece of Tanaka? Hold on, who is it? Who is it? A golden rookie. It's Nico Horner. That's pretty good for the Cubbies. Going to K-Ben. A gold Nico for the Cubbies. He's pretty good. Not too shabby at all, sir. 2 out of 50 on the Nico Horner for K-Ben. It's a good card. Trent Grisham, there's Zach Allen rookie. Jesus Luzardo rookie. Giolito on the insert. Nico Horner rookie there. Base. Refractor of Justin Dunn for the Mariners. Another hit in here somewhere. AJ Minter, he's pretty good, man. I feel like I missed a hit in here. I feel like I missed a hit in there. I feel like this card right here is a hit, whatever that is. Because it's thick. Ah ha ha. Dwight Smith, yeah. It was black, yeah, sorry. The angle for me, Gleno, made it look like it was just a regular card. I saw that the card thickness was bigger. That's why I said we had a hit in there. But the angle for me made it look just like a regular silver card. Dwight Smith Jr. for the Orioles. 22 out of 25. Going for the camp. Yep, that was my thought. I wasn't going to say it. You said it, not me. Your words, not mine. Joe, you've heard my squirrel story, right? When I used to work at Marriott Marquis in Times Square, and I got off the wrong subway by accident, and I ended up at like 125th and Lenox or something. I had to walk through Morningside Park. Bard, of course. No. I'm not that. I'm okay, Bard. All right, we have some hits here. Let's try to save at least some of the hits. Let's do some of the base stuff first. Oh, really? I didn't know that was his number. Nice. Duran on the rookie piece there. Hopefully Duran can get it together. O'Neal Cruz, rookie. Jake Berger, rookie. Berger's been great for the Marlins, by the way. Cal Raleigh, rookie piece. My boy. Edward Cabrera, rookie piece. There's a Jazz. Let's see what we got here. Wong on the rookie. Marsh on the rookie piece. Bobby Witt, a rookie. DeGrom on the finest flamethrowers. See a refractor peeking through. I think it's a refractor. Yep. Julio base, nice on the rookie piece. So we got one Bobby and one Julio. There's an Ian Anderson refractor, not like a rookie that we just hit of his out of one of the other years. Where's the SP? Did I miss the... There it is. Larry Walker SP for the Rockies. Thought the Rockies would be a little rockier. Tony Mo gets Larry. All right, now we have gold, which we'll do at the end. We'll save the gold here. Gavin Sheets, rookie. Blake Snell, 22 out of 35 on the Prism for the Padres. Going to Jay Jeezy. Vidal Brujan, rookie piece. And the gold is Yoan Moncada for the White Sox. Going to Tony Mo. 15 out of 50. Not my finest flashback break, so to speak. I've done better. You think so, Joe? You think he's going to be? Yes, Bard, the tri-case is going next. You think Snell is a Met? That would be great. Just sign up Ohtani and Snell. And then we'll never even think about the year we had Verlander and Scherzer. You're a wizard, Harry. Well, mostly it's loose though, Dave, is the thing. Is we are like the only people that ever even got a case of it. Everybody else was stuck getting loosies. Now we're like everybody else with our loosies. When you said that, Chris, I've been playing a game called All in or Fold recently. I thought that's what you were saying. Here's a recap. Bobby Witt, Julio, refractor of Ian Anderson, Prism of Snell, Moncada Gold, Jordan rookie piece, Gallen rookie piece, Nico Horner rookie piece, Justin Dunn on the refractor. Rookie Dwight Smith, numbered to 25 on the black. Nico Horner, gold rookie. Jersey number match 2 out of 50. Mariano SP, McKenzie on the gold. Longoria, refractor. Kybert Ruiz, Prism to 35. And Bogarts to 25 on the black. Plus we had the box topper, Wilson Contreras going to the Cubbies. Going to K-Ben. That was 3 boxes of Topps Finest Flashback Mixer, number 6. Appreciate you guys joining. Congrats to those that hit. Sorry to those that missed. That was a break.